Hey there, folks. My name's Jeremy, and I just want to welcome all you adventure seekers here to my home, wet, wild, and wonderful West Virginia, where you'll be teaming up with those whitewater specialists from Adventures on the Gorge to partake in one of the most adrenaline-packed outdoor adventure sports known to mankind, whitewater boat riding here on the Upper Gauley River. But first, we're going to take a pause for the cause and meet the players of the day. All right, first on the guide rush today, we got Seth and his whitewater boat riders. Y'all ready? Next on the guide rush, we got Monica and her whitewater warriors. Y'all ready? Woo! Yeah, got a little bit of madness in this boat, and I do believe some mayhem. And the whitewater boat riders keep coming. This is the man with the plan, the master of our whitewater extravaganza, Scott and his whitewater boat riders. Come on now. Give it up. Don't be team decaf. Get loud and proud. Yeah. And we've got Christian and crew making their way down to the get-in. Y'all ready? Come on now, get loud and proud. Uh-oh, I do see some madness in this boat, and I do believe maybe some mayhem. Alrighty then, that is going to get things done here at the get-in. It's time for me to get into my boat and get on downstream. And just like that, made it down here to Insignificant Rapid.
Leaving the BS behind. It's hard to get rid of what got rid of you, babe. And I know it's tough when it's time to stand up straight. Too many roads, yeah, too many tracks. Far too easy to fall down that path. Ain't got what you need, I feel differently. 2020 but still can't see. Cups overflowing but they're still thirsty. Coast on, coast on, coast on, coast on. I feel the wind rushing on my skin. Hear the rumble when that thunder's coming in. Thousand suns, moon and sky.
Wrap things up here at Insignificant, your first class 5 of the day. I'll catch up with you down there somewhere. And out of the river comes more class 5 whitewater action. I'm down here at number 2 of the Big 5. The most photographed rapid on the river. This is Pillow Rock Rapid. 2,800 cubic foot per second comes crashing and bashing into these 2 huge boulders, creating the room of doom. The pillow ride to toilet bowl. Make it past that, you still got to contend with this rock known as Volkswagen. If you swim over that bad boy, you are going to be far from grooving. Riding it up onto the pillow, big dog style. Catch up with you downstream. Number 3 of the Big 5 is Lost Paddle. 4 consecutive Class 5 drops, over 1/3 of a mile long. That's strategically positioned myself here at the Hawaii 5-0 wave. One of the steepest crash and bashing hits on the river today.
So much to learn, 13 years old. Whoa. The night was cold as it was dark, but seeing you was worth the cold. Whoa. I saw her laid down by a tree, as if you wanted to explore. Whoa. And though you thought it was make-believe, I got my chance to let you know. Whoa. Julia, I don't wanna scold you. Julia, I just want to hold you. Julia, well, I've got them to let me know. Whoa. Julia, boy, I wish I told
so far,
you.
so good. They've done the first and second, but still got to contend with the third and fourth drop. I'll catch up with you at number 4 of the Big 5. All right, it's time for my personal favorite. This is Iron Ring Rapid, number 4 of the Big 5, 2-tier waterfall style drop. Back in the day, the loggers dynamited the left-hand side, creating that broken, jagged pile of gnarl. Out here in the center is a flume of water that hides a rock known as Woodstock. Rafters, if you swim over that bad boy, you're going to be having whitewater flashbacks forever. Coliseum of Carnage, Sweets Falls. And through the magic that I call whitewater cinematography, we are down here at the Coliseum of Carnage, Sweets Falls. You can see there are whitewater paparazzis hanging out here to catch all the thrills, chills, and you know it, even some spills. What's going on is if you get over here too far, river left, you'll hit that rock right there known as Artificial Pleasure Rock. You know what happens there, you're just plain screwed. Too far river right, you go into the Energizer and keep going and going. Make it past that, you still got to contend with the Postage Due Rock where you can lick and stick your raft and ship yourself through the Box Canyon.
to the moon, yeah, or maybe even Mars.
Oh no, we've got a boat on the postage due rock. The guide has scrambled. Is he gonna hold it off? Oh my goodness! It is going down in the Box Canyon.
Is he gonna help it out? Don't help him out.
Seth and crew, and there's the rest of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I missed Monica and crew. They're gonna pick some people up. Lend a hand here. Hey, swim out to your boat.
Jump in! That's the first time you've ever done that.
Alrighty, guys, got the boat back upright. They're gonna fit everybody back in and do it again.
Kill me, but you do not have the right to judge me. Boom.
No steady job, living with my mom. Laid off from the family restaurant. No steady grades, I can't seem to make sense of all the things that they putting in my head. No steady sleep, my mind ain't at ease. Ain't enough NyQuil in the damn pharmacy. No steady girl, try asking her why she's coming second and the pills coming first. Incapable is just how I feel, like the whole world's nipping at my heels. Part of me wants to hang it up, but the other part just doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Static battle with my mind on idle. Why is letting go such a daily struggle? Everybody is telling me go, but I'm sitting all alone with my life on hold. Incapable is just how I feel, like the whole world's nipping at my heels. Part of me wants to hang it up, and the other part just doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Doesn't give up. Just how I feel, like the whole world's nipping at my heels. Part of me wants to hang it up, and the other part just doesn't give up. Incapable is just how I feel, like the whole world's nipping at my heels. Part of me wants to hang it up, and the other part just doesn't give up. Incapable is just how I feel, like the whole world's nipping at my heels. Part of me wants to hang it up, and the other part just doesn't give up.
Just leave them. Leave them be. Leave our thoughts on that bird. There was violence going on.
We got a kayaker swimming into the Box Canyon.
One at a time.
Well, folks, that's going to bring to close another glorious day of whitewater boat riding here on the Upper Gauley River, only in wet, wild, wonderful West Virginia, exclusively at Adventures on the Gorge. And on behalf of everybody at Adventures on the Gorge, I'd just like to say we've enjoyed having you, but only if you enjoyed being had. Wait, that just didn't sound right. Let me think about this. Oh yeah, we enjoyed taking you down the river, but only if you enjoyed being taken. And last but not least, it's time to give it up for those hard-working raft guys.